Before we begin, this is how much I gained in 1 week of work, more than $1,000, uploading only 1 gigabyte of music. Don't skip a second, watch the video until the end so you can just copy me and get up at least $500 in 1 week. Now, I want you to imagine, what if you can get paid and make money online by simply listening to music? Now, it doesn't matter where you are coming from, because this works in any country in the world. You can start making money online by simply listening to music. So, in just a moment, I will show you how you can listen to music just like this and this music right here, and how you can start making money. As you can see here, when I scroll down below, there are literally pages and pages of people from all over the world that are able to make money online by simply listening to music. So, how much money can you earn from just listening to music? You can earn $7. So when you listen to 10 songs, that you can earn $17 and so on and so forth. All you need is just a mobile phone, and you can do this for 100% free. You don't need any investment at all, and this is super easy for beginners. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because I will give you a lot of special tips that can help you to earn more money compared to others. This is Easy Finance Boy, and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have any question, concern or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now, let's get started. First of all, I want you to go on to this website, which is mixkit.co. So, right here on this website, you can find a lot of free stock music that you can actually listen to and be able to make money online. When you scroll down below, you can find many different music that you can download for absolutely free using a mobile phone or using a computer. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of music right on this website that we can get for absolutely free. So right now, I want to give you the first bonus tip that can help you make more money online. So right here, when you come on to the home page of this website, I want you to click on gender. You can find many different categories of music that you can actually listen to. So I want you to focus on the two most popular music category, which is hip-hop music and also acoustic music. So all you have to do is click on this link, and then you are going to come over to this page where you can find different acoustic music that you can download for absolutely free. So right here, you can find different hip-hop music that you can also download with just one click of a button. Right now, we are going to move on to the step number 2, which is very important. So right here, this website is actually named uploadforever.com. I am going to leave the link right here on the screen. Right on this website, you can actually upload a very simple file on upforever.co. And then every single time people download your file, you can actually make money online. So that's a very powerful method. You can actually come over to this website, and then you can download the music for absolutely free. And then we are going to come back here to the second website, and we will upload the music file right here on this website. So every single time people download our file, we can earn 100% of the profit. Meaning we can earn $7 over and over again. The best thing about this website is that they can pay you the money in different payment methods. As you can see here, there is PayPal, Pioneer, Paysera, Grill, Perfect Money. There is simply so many different methods that you can receive your money. So right now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what's your preferred payment method in your country. So if you are using an Android phone, you can go on to the Google Play Store and search for Up Forever Make Money by sharing your file, and then you can download this app for 100% free. When you come over to the home page of this website, I want you to go on and click on this button here, which is sign up, and then going to take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account and start uploading music on this website. So right here, just put in your username, your password, your email address, and you can select your payment method right here. Just select whatever you want on this down R and put on whatever method that you want to get paid. So for myself, I prefer PayPal, and put my PayPal email address right here on the box. Finally, check on this box and click on the sign up button. It is as simple as that. If you are enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. So once you register for a free account, you're able to log into your App Forever dashboard. So right here under this section, you're able to see how much money you actually earn on this website. You can see here your username right here on top. Right now, what I want you to do is click on this button right here, which is upload file. That's going to take you over to this page where you can start uploading your music file right here on this website. Now, this is very important. Make sure you do not upload any file that's against the term of services. And also, if the upload does not work for you, make sure you try to disable your ad blocker. So make sure you do not make any of these mistakes right here, so that you can actually make money right on this website. Now I want to show you a real life example on how you can upload the music and start making money. I want you to go back to mixkit.co, and then you're going to click on genre and look for hip hop music, and that's going to take you through this page where you can find different type of hip hop music. So if you want to listen to a preview of the music, you are just going to click on this play button right here. And also you can actually see the name of the music here. So basically, if you want to download this music, you're just going to click on this download button right here, and it's going to download it into your computer. Once again, you can download this on your phone too, and you can download this on your computer, and you don't even need any account to start downloading for free. So right now I will go back to my account on App Forever, and then I will click on this blue button right here to show the file to upload. Then just upload the music that you got from mixkit.co, and make sure you click on this public, so that make sure to make it public so that other people can actually see your music when they download your music file. You can earn $7 now. For the description, it is very important to make sure you put in the name of the music and also the name of the artist. So what you can do is you can go back to the website and look for the name of the music and also the name of the artist. So I will go back to this website and I type in the title and the artist. Once you put in the data, you're just going to click on this blue button right here to start the upload. So right here, as you can see, it's uploading the music file on this website. I just have to wait for a few seconds for it to be done. When you go back to your account, you are going to click on this button right here, which says My Files. So as you can see here under My Files, you can find the music that you uploaded, and you can see the file name and the file size. You can actually set the price of this music, and you can see how many people actually downloaded it. So right here under the public section, make sure you click on this so that other people can find your music when they download them. You can actually start making money right now. I want you to click on this icon right here, this pencil icon. This is where you can actually set a price for this music right here. I recommend you to choose on $7 per music, and I want you to click on this blue submit button. As you can see here, that's everything you have to do. Upload the music and make sure you select it in a public, and make sure you set the price of every music. So right now we just have to repeat the same thing over and over again. You can find music right here on this website for absolutely free, and then we can upload it here on this website and sell them each for $7. You can receive your money over and over again. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you got value of it, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And that is it for today's video. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something today. This is Easy Finance Boy, and I will see you on the next video.